Hey viewers, welcome back to the channel. My name is Asoebi. On today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to make structural detail like the one you are seeing in this dress. If you're interested in seeing how I made this one that's on the table, keep on watching and let's go straight to the video. Welcome back guys. For this tutorial, I'll be making use of a doll face fabric and a line boning, which is also called sewable boning. So those are the things we'll be using for this tutorial. So I'm just going to go ahead now to cut out the pieces. I'm going to open my fabric on the table and I'm going to be cutting out the pieces using 1.5 inches. I'm using 1.5 inches because my boning is the smallest size. So if you are using a boning that is bigger than what I'm using, you should go ahead and cut your own out with 2 inches. Okay, so I'm just going to mark my 1.5 inches now. I will rule it and I'll cut it out. So I'm going to place it on it and cut out another one. So guys, this is what you're going to have. I have 2 long pieces right now that I've cut out. So right now I'm going to go ahead and cut it out with the actual measurement I will be using for this structural detail. So for the bigger one, I'll be cutting it out with 24 inches. So I'm just going to be cutting out 2 24 inches long, and for the smaller one I will cut it out with 16 inches. Okay, so I'm going to measure my 16 inches and I will also cut out 2 16 inches long. So this is what you are going to have. Okay, so guys, I have all the pieces now and these are the longer ones and the other ones are the shorter ones. So right now I'm going to take this to the sewing machine and I'm just going to fold it together like this to the right side and I will sew it down. I will do the same thing to the other 3 pieces. So guys, this is what I had after I was done sewing it, guys. As you can see, right now I'll be using a safety pin to turn these fabrics to the right side. So this was what I had after I was done turning them to the right side, guys. As you can see, I'm going to go ahead now to iron them out. So guys, this is what I had after I was done ironing them out. Right now, I'll bring my boning. I already cut out the boning, guys. These are for the longer pieces and these other shorter ones are for the shorter pieces. So I'm just going to go ahead and put the boning through the rope. So you're just going to put it inside like this. So guys, you will notice that there's a space at the end here that does not have boning. It's about 1 inch long. So that is the space where we are going to be joining them together. So that's how you're going to do the other ones. You will leave 1 inch space at the end to join everything together. So guys, this is what I had after I was done putting boning through all the ropes. So right now you can decide that you want to design this structural detail. So you can decide to put stones, anything you feel like designing it with. So for example, you want to design it with stone. This is how you're going to place it. You're just going to put your stones on it like this and you're going to use hot iron to press it down and it will look very nice. So this is how you can design these structural details if you feel like designing. But for this tutorial, I'm not going to be designing anything. I just want to share with you guys how you can actually make it. Okay, so I'm just going to put back these stones to my bag now and I'll go ahead now to finish up this tutorial. I'll be using my hand needle and thread. I'll be using hand needle and thread to sew this things together. So I'm just going to first of all carry one of the smaller one of the short ones. I'm going to place them together like this, you can see guys. So I'm just going to go ahead to sew this together. So guys, you see what I had after I was done joining together. Right now, I'll take one of the long one. I'm going to be placing the smaller one inside of the long one like this. Did you see what I'm doing? So you're just going to place them together like this, and you're going to sew it. You see guys, so right now I'm just going to sew it together as well. So this was what I had after I was done joining the smaller and the big one together. You can see how nice it came out. I also went ahead to do the other one. As you can see, I have two of them. So right now, place the two together like this. Did you see guys? It's already coming out very nice. So I'm just going to place them together like that now. Then I will go ahead to sew them together as well. This was what I had after I was done joining everything together guys. As you can see how pretty it came out, so it looks so beautiful. So you can decide to style it anyhow you feel like. If you decide to do it like this, it will still look very nice. So this is it guys. This is how to make your very own structure detail. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. Let me know if you are going to be trying yours out, and if you are new here, you haven't subscribed to our channel, please endeavor to hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much guys for watching. See you all in our next video. Bye.